So we got this barbecue island here that was all jacked up, and I'm gonna do artificial rock on top of it. So I'm gonna put take out the top part because it was falling apart. I'm gonna put some plywood, paper, and mesh, and get ready to start doing the rock part of it as soon as that part's done. I'm using this stuff here. Just regular black paper. So we tried to do a budget barbecue island. This thing only costs like $250, and we're gonna add a sink here and extend the thing out so people sit with benches. Once you fix the top, you put 3/4 inch plywood, paper, and this mesh. Stapled it pretty good. Stapled it, give you openings. We had to extend this out to have a little bar. All of those pieces in there. Now you're pretty much ready to give it a first coat. And hopefully we do it in one coat to get it ready for the rock. See how this goes for the rock. So we get it stucco pretty much. We gave it 2 coats to hide all the metal, and got the concrete ready. We're gonna start stamping this today. Now we're gonna start stamping. Get a stamp you want. I use this powder release right here. Just get it. Put some little powder on it. Shake a little bit. Put it right there where I need it. Just give it a good little tap. Do it over and over. Once you stamp, you wait around 2 hours till the concrete gets hard, and then you're gonna start carving any sections. If you see any cracks, just use the cracks as natural, cracks pretty much. So like say right here, we're gonna put right here. Kind of do what you want. Brush to get all the little stuff off. Barely go. Any of the little rocks off of it. And basically just do that to the whole thing. Just kind of did up here. So while I was there, it's taken me almost 2 days to do it myself. Right here, still waiting for it to get hard enough to stamp the concrete, but it's getting there. Next step after we do all the cuts, all the breaks, we need to give it about a day or 2 to let it dry really good. Then we'll primer it and paint it. And then we'll put all the hardware back on. So we washed it. We used some acid to remove all the pink out of it. it's pretty much ready. Primer as soon as it dries. Well, it's still wet. So we got primer white, and then we're gonna spray the colors on, which will be black and a brown, and maybe a lighter brown.